Today, we will prepare a dish that combines the fresh flavors of spring with the delicacy of the sea. Pappardelle with asparagus and shrimp. Ingredients: 250 grams of egg pappardelle, a bunch of fresh asparagus, 300 grams of peeled shrimp, 100 milliliters of dry white wine, 2 cloves of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, chopped parsley for garnish, lemon zest, optional salt and pepper. Thoroughly wash the asparagus under cold running water and remove the tough woody bottom parts. Cut the asparagus tips and set them aside, then slice the remaining asparagus into rounds about 1 centimeter thick. Bring a pot of lightly salted water to a boil and boil the asparagus tips for 3 to 4 minutes, then drain and cool them in an ice water bath. In the same water, boil the asparagus rounds for 5 to 6 minutes until tender, then drain and cool them again in an ice water bath. Clean the shrimp by removing the head, shell, and intestine, or use well-thawed and dried frozen shrimp. In a large pan, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over medium heat and lightly brown the garlic, then remove it. Add the shrimp to the pan and cook for 2 minutes on each side until they turn pink. Then deglaze with white wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Add the asparagus rounds to the pan with the shrimp and let them flavor for 2 to 3 minutes, seasoning with salt and pepper. Cook the pappardelle in plenty of salted water following the cooking times indicated on the package for al dente pasta. Drain the pappardelle, keeping a ladle of cooking water, and transfer them to the pan with the sauce. Add the asparagus tips and, if necessary, a bit of cooking water to combine everything better. Toss the pappardelle in the pan for a couple of minutes over medium heat, stirring gently. Plate the pappardelle, garnish with fresh chopped parsley and grated lemon zest. Serve the pappardelle hot. You can customize this recipe according to your tastes, for example by adding cream if you prefer a creamier sauce, or by replacing white wine with fish stock. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Enjoy your meal. Asparagus has been known since ancient times for its beneficial properties and refined taste. In Egypt, it was considered a delicacy as far back as 3,000 years ago, while the Romans appreciated it so much that they even included it in their cultivation manuals. This vegetable is rich in vitamins, minerals, and has a natural diuretic effect. In Italian cuisine, asparagus pairs perfectly with ingredients like shrimp, creating a flavor combination that evokes spring and the sea.